How to use gnupg genkey in a script. gnupg is one of these annoying tools that has a non-scriptable command line. I want to run gnupg genkey in a script. The rest of the process is simple commands. Anyone had any luck with this? Entering the password seems to be supported, but not the other questions it asks: key type, key size, expiry, name. If you use the yes option, it still shows confirmation dialogues. Is there any way some more friendly tool like OpenPgp can be used to generate keys?
OpenPgp does not support openpgp, so you can't use it for key generation. Anyway, gnupg is rather easy to script using with colons together with batch. For most operations, using gnupg is the way to go, at least for high-level programming languages where libraries exist to interface gnupg through it without having to parse the output on your own. Also, scripted key generation is possible. You're looking for unattended key generation, which is well possible. In the end, it boils down to storing a description on how to generate the keys in a file and running gnupg batch gen key on file name. The documentation linked above hosts following example on unattended key generation.
From what I can see, Quick Gen Key is a better choice for scripts. 4.5.3 The Quick Key Manipulation Interface. Recent versions of gnupg have an interface to manipulate keys without using the interactive command edit key. This interface was added mainly for the benefit of gnupg. Please consider using gnupg. See the manual subsection, Programmatic Use of gnupg. This URL. 4.5 Unattended usage is often used as a back-end engine by other software. To help with this, a machine interface has been defined to have an unambiguous way to do this. The options, status fd and batch are almost always required for this. Programmatic use of gnupg. Programmatic use of gnupg. Ephemeral home directories. Ephemeral home directories. The Quick Key Manipulation Interface. The Quick Key Manipulation Interface. This URL. Batch makes it not ask questions, except for a passphrase. Batch, no batch. Use batch mode. Never ask, do not allow interactive commands. This URL. Or a bigger example.
If you want to support the channel, please